Hey folks, what's up? Welcome to this video. So if you're looking to transfer your Google Play gift card balance to another account, you've come to the right video. In today's video, I'll be showing you the only way that you can use to transfer your Google Play gift card balance to another account. Okay, so without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. Alright, so first things first, let's check these Google Play limitations. Okay, so according to Google Play gift card limitations, the Google Play gift card is not redeemable for cash or other gift cards, is not reloadable or refundable, cannot be combined with other non-Google Play gift card balances in your Google Play account, and cannot be resold, exchanged or transferred for value except required for the law. Okay, so this transferred for value is what interests us the most. Okay, so according to what this says is that you cannot actually transfer your Google Play gift card balance to another account. Okay, so I tried and searched for another alternative method from forums, and I went through Google Play Help Center, and here's what I got as a response from a diamond product expert. So according to what he said, I'm sorry, that's not possible. Your Google Play balance can't be refunded or transferred to another account. Okay, so clicking through this link is just going to bring us to this previous page that we are on. Alright, so according to this, the official method, you can't transfer Google Play gift cards officially. Okay, so that's just the direct point of view, but there's also an alternative way, a tricky way that you can use to transfer your Google Play gift card balance to another account. Okay, so to do that, you just need to open your Google Play Store, and then you come to your account tile here, click on your account profile picture, and then you click on help and feedback. Okay, so before we even go any further, they have written a complete guide explaining this process. Alright, so the process that we're going to be using today is kind of tricky, and for your better understanding, I would recommend you check the written guide on this so that you can also understand how this transfer actually works and how you can easily move your Google Play gift card balance to another account. Right, so make sure you check the link to this guide in the video description. So once on this help page, just click on the contact us button right here, and then what you want to do is just explain your issue here. So I'll just say transfer Google Play gift card balance to another account, just like so, and then click on next. So what we want to select here is just to click on order, and then here don't select the Google Play balance and gift card. No, don't select that. So what you want to select, you can just select any other thing. Just select Google Play apps, for example, and then click on next. So there are a couple of guides or resources that you can follow here, which aren't going to give us what we want. So we just want to click on next, and then you have two options for contacting them. You can either chat with them in less than 10 minutes for wait, or you can just contact them through email. So if you want a quicker response, you want to chat with them through their chat function, but if you want that in the helps to get this your Google Play balance transferred, you can just use the email, but I always prefer using the email because the response is very typical. So just select that email. So you just want to fill in your first name, last name, and the transaction ID. You just leave it blank, and here you describe your issue. You can say, hi Google, I want to transfer my Google Play gift card balance to another account because my actual account containing the gift card balance has been altered or corrupted. So you can just say has been corrupted, or you can also say has been accessed without my authorization. Alright, or you can just say because you don't have access to this account. Okay, so let's just take that all over. has been in the gift card balance. Is no longer under my control. So just create a motive, something that will get your attention, will get their attention to attending to your account. So if you tell them that you're just looking to transfer your Google Play gift card directly, they won't help you. But if you say that your account is actually corrupted or that has been accessed without your permission, and then your gift card balance has been used without your knowledge, they obviously want to help you secure your funds, and by so doing they can help you transfer this gift card balance to another Google account that you want them to transfer. Okay, but in this case you typically need to verify that the account that they are transferring to, you have access to that account. Okay, so make sure that the account that you're transferring to is under your control. All right, so once you say this, you just want to say, I'll be glad if you can help, and then just submit it to them. Okay, so just click on the submit button and you submit this to the Google Play support. Okay, so after submitting this issue to Google Play, they are actually going to respond to you with an email that is actually going to emphasize that they have received your query or your worry, and will attend to you in a couple of minutes or after some time. Okay, so this is how you get to transfer your Google Play gift card to another account. Okay, so make sure you create here, make sure your motive here is convincing. You can use this template or you can create your own template depending on your needs, but make sure it is convincing to capture their attention to help you transfer this Google Play gift card balance to another account. Okay, so guys, that's how you get to transfer your Google Play gift card balance to another account. If you found this video actually helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell to not miss our upcoming update. Okay, so I catch you on the next one.